bawat isa. Good morning everyone. Tuloy po kayo sa Bayang Digital, ang bagong Pilipinas, the DICT Regional Roadshow 2024. And now, we are on our second leg here in Region 2 to Tuguegarao.
Produce technology and innovation and the very fast innovation happening about all of these things to mold a better future for the Philippines. I hope and pray, kayo yung bata, kayo yung mas bata saan. You will be part of living the future and leading the future. Take care of our country. Take care of our children. Take care of a better future. Let's plan it all.
Your Department of Information and Communications Technology officially launched the Bayang Digital, ang bagong Pilipinas. As we commence the second DICT Regional Roadshow here in Tuguegarao, we will showcase various transformative in-house technology systems and provide relevant information on how to responsibly handle your data and offering training and career opportunities that will allow Filipinos to participate in the digital economy. This initiative was born from a simple yet profound truth that we are a department of the people and for the people. These roadshows will also serve as a platform to celebrate the achievements of our DICT regional office personnel who pound the pavement and bring our services to your homes. Let us all embark in this journey together in building the bagong Pilipinas. A nation that has fully embraced digitalization, isang bayang digital na kung saan ang bawat Pilipino ay konektado, ang gobyerno ay epektibo at ang kinabukasan ay progresibo. Tuloy po tayong lahat sa bayang digital.
Ang Pilipinas po ay isang bayang digital sa bagong Pilipinas.
All of us are working. Pero ang gusto ko ho talagang pasalamatan ngayon, yung mga tao ho sa ilalim natin na even though they are overworked and admittedly mababa ho ang pasweldo sa government, but still they are here. Andyan ho ang DICT, andyan ho ang inyong DICT para sa inyo. Having known our mandates and our obligations, you can hold us accountable at magkaroon naman din ho tayo ng mga manageable expectations ho para sa DICT. And ang ultimate goal ho yan ay magkatulungan ho tayo para ho ma-accomplish natin ang ating mga tinakdang mga goals para sa ating bayan.
And it is my great honor to present to you ang hirap po na ginawa ng DICT upang po makikolaborate sa inyo. Ito na po yung ating output. We cannot do this without our partners, our collaborative partners, LGUs, National Line NGC, and private institution. Ang sabi nga nila, let's make magic, making academe, government, industry collaborate. At ito na nga po, I am very much honored to present to you the annual report of DICT, the first DICT magazine, the annual report of 2023. And you will be seeing what is DICT offering, what is DICT, and you have to understand that we are DICT of the people, for the people. We are here, always ready to serve, always connected.